Have you ever thought of using flowers in your cooking? Yes, you heard it right, flowers. These colorful additions can elevate your culinary creations. But remember, not all blooms are edible. Let's embark on a fascinating journey to discover some popular edible flowers and their culinary uses. First on our list are nasturtiums. These vibrant edible flowers have a delightful peppery flavor similar to watercress. Their bold colors can truly transform a simple salad into a gastronomic extravaganza. So next time you see nasturtiums, do not hesitate to toss them into your salad. Next up, we've got violets. These delicate beauties pack a sweet floral punch. Imagine them adorning your favorite desserts or even as a garnish in refreshing summer drinks. Remember, violets aren't just for looking pretty. They can make your desserts taste pretty amazing too. Lastly, but certainly not the least, marigolds. Don't let their bright colors fool you. These flowers pack a citrusy punch. Their tangy flavor makes them perfect for jazzing up soups, stews, and poultry dishes. Who knew marigolds could add a citrusy punch to your dishes? So, there you have it. A list of edible flowers to spice up your culinary adventures. We've explored the tangy wonders of nasturtiums, the sweet delicacy of violets, and the citrusy zest of marigolds. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Happy cooking with flowers!